Shastra means talwar. If we want you to fight a war for good marks in UPSC, we are trying to have this feeling that mains are so important. Like in my own first attempt, I could clear the prelims, but I was not able to clear mains. Preparation of mains must be carried out before prelims. When you start writing mains, you are not able to understand and corroborate all the static and current knowledge together, because questions कैसे बनते हैं? Topic wise. Hello friends, so welcome to Tathastu family. Today we are going to have orientation about MSLV. So inspired by our Chandrayaan, there is this main success launch vehicle that Tathastu is bringing, whereby we are trying to have this feeling that mains are so important. Like in my own first attempt, I could clear the prelims, but I was not able to clear mains, and that is like क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? अगर मेंस क्लियर ही नहीं हुआ तो प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करने का भी बहुत ज़्यादा खास फ़ायदा होता नहीं. And the whole scheme of examination is such whereby prelims, mains and interview, these are the three stages, and preparation of mains must be carried out before prelims, because after prelims the time will be very less. So for 2024, what is the right time to start preparing for mains? It is now. Now we should be geared up and we should start preparing for our mains. And how to prepare for mains? कैसे करें mains की तैयारी? That is a big question. But the answer lies in the pattern itself. Example. What do you think are the things that are required for a good answer or a good copy? So if you are saying mains, then one of the very important thing is content. Of course, you must know the content. लेकिन कैसा content? What kind of content do we require to write a good answer? Do we require informations like tits bits? No. We require analytic capability of a topic. So you people must be reading newspapers from here, there, current affairs from this magazine, that magazine. You must have also taken classes at some places whereby you know what is the static concept. And yet, when you start writing mains, you are not able to understand and corroborate all the static and current knowledge together. दोनों एक साथ नहीं आ पाती है ना. स्टैटिक की जगह पे रह जाता है और करंट की जगह पे रह जाता है. And when you start writing answers, you realize that either your answer is not coming in a very good flow, or you are not able to integrate the concepts of your static knowledge into your current knowledge of current affairs. And problem is, examiner is not concerned. They want to have a holistic analytical view in your answer. That is why our first understanding that we have to do, that when we are saying content, it has to be a topical content. Topical content means topic wise, because questions कैसे बनते हैं? Topic wise. Questions बनते हैं infrastructure पे, unemployment, artificial intelligence पे, governance के अंदर issues पे, like representation of people's act, disqualification of MPs. ये सारे important topics हैं जो करंट में चल रहे हैं, लेकिन उनका एक बहुत important background है static knowledge के साथ भी. तो हम लोगों को जब मेंस में आंसर लिखने हैं, हम लोगों को ये इंटीग्रेशन चाहिए. वी वांट दिस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ स्टैटिक प्लस करंट अफेयर्स. नाउ करंट अफेयर्स ऑल्सो इंक्लूड डेटा, schemes, flow charts, and all those things which are required to substantiate our point. In mains answer writing, another very important thing is substantiation. Substantiation. आपने कुछ लिखा, का evidence क्या है? In mains answer writing, we will not talk from now on like a चाचा जी in train. है ना, वो चाचा जी जो थे ना, बहुत खराब समय चल रहा है, देश बड़ी बुरी स्थिति के अंदर है, कैसे स्थिति में है, कैसे अगर अच्छा है तो कैसे, किस चीज़ से आपने एनालाइज किया, इज देयर सम डेटा बैकिंग योर स्टेटमेंट्स. So all the statements that you make, you will have to back it with the evidence or a data or a scheme or some kind of report. और ये सब आपको मिलता है current affairs से. You get all of these things from your current affairs, but your conceptual clarity comes from your static knowledge. So this integration of both is very necessary to understand one topic and write a good answer in mains. This is the first part. First. Secondly, after content, जिस कंटेंट को हम लोग है ना, मैं हमेशा अपनी थ्योरी में इसको कहती हूँ शस्त्र. शस्त्र मीन्स तलवार. If we want you to fight a war for good marks in UPSC, then first step is having a good equipment or good content or a talwar. Second is Vigyan. Vigyan or basically skill. Even if you have all the content in the world, if you don't know how to use it, big problem. इधर तलवार तो बहुत लोग खरीद लेते हैं, लेकिन चलाना ये भी अपने आप के अंदर बहुत important चीज़. And skill means that you will need a teacher or a mentor, and this is where we have all, a group of selected candidates who can actually tell you how to utilize the content we are providing, in the sense that we will be providing you all the topical content in the form of classes plus notes, and these things will be utilized by you during the live answer writing sessions, and not just live answer writing sessions, but also the ways and manners and the tricks and the techniques of utilizing these content into a good logical answer. So this is the second part, and then comes the third part, that is the abhyas. Abhyas means practice. अगर आपने अच्छा आंसर लिखना सीख लिया है, उसका थर्ड स्टेप है हमारा टेस्ट सीरीज या फिर अभ्यास. लोग क्या करते हैं अक्सर, ये जो टेस्ट सीरीज है ना, इसी पे फोकस करते रहते हैं. टेस्ट सीरीज मतलब लिखने की प्रैक्टिस, समय सीमा में कैसे लिखना, हाउ टू राइट गुड आंसर्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर फ्रेम ऑफ टाइम, हाउ टू accumulate, articulate, organize your thoughts, your knowledge in a particular format presentation on your sheet in a particular time. This is what answer writing is. Yes, test series help, but if you are not focused on these two, then test series is actually not helping you. Rather, it is just a practice of not writing a good answer many times. So you have to improve with each answer and each test that you are giving.